Hey everyone, my name is Joe. Let me introduce you to my channel. After 20 years of RVing, I love sharing and making different types of videos. Most popular is our RVs Gone Wild series, where we show some of the coolest and craziest RVs out there. We have amazing RVs, spectacular fails, and we always include some RV Turducken videos and pictures. Lots of people submit links, pics, and videos, and you can send yours to RVingWithJoe@gmail.com. But the original reason I made this YouTube channel was to document my journey as one of the first buyers of the newly invented Ember Overland trailer, as I tackled both pavement and dirt across the United States and Canada. As a dual citizen, I can easily take advantage of what the two best countries in the world have to offer. I've been to the deserts of Utah and Arizona, including Valley of the Gods, Gooseneck State Park, and of course, Quartzsite, Arizona. From the eastern Rockies in Alberta to the farmlands of California, to the Green Mountains meeting the ocean at the Oregon coast, and even winter RVing deep in the Canadian snow, my wife and I love finding new adventures with our dogs and sharing these experiences with others. 25,000 kilometers later, and we have not begun to scratch the surface. There's a reason my channel's motto is, "Get busy living." I also make some commentary videos on current events, like the problems with homelessness in RVs, and how the challenges of tariffs and shifting politics affects the world of RVing. My most popular video on homelessness and RVing has over 400,000 views. So join the over 20,000 subscribers who enjoy RVing with Joe. I like to engage with folks directly in the comments, via email, and our Patreon supporters get the most direct contact with me and even help me with channel ideas. Heck, we even set up a gas fund at the suggestion of a subscriber if you want to help out with our next adventure. So join the channel, look out for our giveaways, and most importantly, get busy living.